Okay, so this looks good, except for in our main navigation, the mockup shows home at the far left and about to the right of it. So we want to go ahead and switch this. My guess is that you'll know exactly how to do this. This is a weight issue. So if we go to the menu settings, we can shift the weight to be heavier than the current home weight. Although we don't know what the current home weight is, we'll have to make a guess. And it should appear to the right as long as it's heavy enough. So let's go ahead and click the edit link to edit our piece of content and scroll down to the menu settings. We're here, it's open by default. And down at the very bottom, we can set a weight. Let's go ahead and set the weight to 5 for now. It's a little bit heavier than 0. My guess is that home is going to be 0 because it's set by default in Drupal, and it would seem strange for it to use a negative or a positive weight for it. So we'll run on the theory that it's at 0. Let's go ahead and save. Okay, so now it appears to the right. This is good. And because it's 5, and let's say that home is probably 0, that means we have some space in between the two to put in some extra items.